We live?
Sean won a coin toss. He chose Rock to go first. Let's get it.
I said, nah, you already got that. What's poppin' with you, YouTube? I'm back with another banger. Before we get into this banger, make sure y'all hit that like button, that comment, and that subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. Now that that's out the way, let's get into this video. Today we got a special package for y'all, man. Y'all see this box? Another Nike box. By the way, shout out to Nike. You know, they switching the box up, no longer the Nike tape. They are still putting, you know, some print on the box, but this is all you're gonna see with every package, or a lot of these packages. This is also the box we talked about a couple weeks ago. The top, you know, with the strip on it, and you pull it back. If I can get it open, struggling to get it open. Pull it back, and yeah, it allows you to be able to use this package, use this box for another package. Got the tape on it, just pull the tape back and box it back up. Y'all know what came out recently. Y'all might even know what shoe was in this box. Today we gonna see what the hype was about, because, you know, this shoe is a collaboration between Jordan and some artists, and every single time this artist drop, it's like, it goes gold, it goes platinum, no matter what it is. 9 times out of 10, more like 8 times out of 10, I like the shoe that he's made. This time I'm not a fan, but I ain't seen him in person. So today we about to look at, we about to see what they got, what they look like in person, man. Boom. Jordan box. Y'all see this caramel color. Cactus Jack around the box. See, look, that is a dead giveaway. You already know what this is. Cactus Jack around the box on the other side. Got the Cactus Jack logo right there with the Jordan. Flip the box around. Got the Jordan with the Cactus Jack again. Let's see what this tag says. Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, size 13. Colorway is British Khaki and bright crimson. Y'all can see the tag if y'all want to look at that tag. See if it focus. There we go. We about to get into this, man. Like I said, I'm not looking at the pictures. I'm not too big on them. The last Jordan 6 he did, you know, I loved them. This one, I don't know, but we gonna see. I think these might be overrated. Peel this back. Nice red inside. Sheesh, I'm gonna call this the Christian Louboutin box. Red bottoms. All right, on top we got this dust bag. It's like Carhartt material. Like it went straight to Carhartt for this. Jordan brand on one side, Cactus Jack branding on the other side. Brown paper. I'm sure I'm gonna peel this back and it's gonna be white paper. Come on, Nike. Y'all getting too predictable now. Brown paper, white paper. But I can't really be mad at it. You know, real waxy. And here we go. We're gonna see what it's about. Air Jordan 6, Travis Scott, Cactus Jack, British Khaki. British khakis, man. Let me see. Straight from Nike. I hit on Nike, hit on Sneakers app for these. Oh man. Alright. They better in person than in the pictures, but I'm still just whatever to me. It's still just whatever to me, Shitu. Let's get straight into it. You got the British khaki long hair suede all around the shoe. You got those British khaki, those khaki laces, along with some brown laces and some red laces. On the tab on the tongue, you got the bright crimson red Jumpman logo on both shoes. On the back of the left shoe, you have the Nike Air. You know, everybody love that Nike Air. Nobody like that Jordan Air. I actually don't mind the Jordan on the back of the shoe. Obviously, the Nike Air is going to get more respect, but the Jordan logo is not bad. People need to chill out, to be honest with you. On the other shoe, got the Cactus Jack logo on the back. Y'all notice something about the outsole, the tongue, and the heel tab. They're all glow in the dark, and these hit. I will say, the glow in the dark hits on these. It's crazy. Moving on to the midsole, you have that British khaki midsole going all the way around the shoe with the white hits, or I guess this is sail, but yeah, with the sail hits. But yeah, British khaki going all around on the midsole. On the medial side, you do have that Cactus Jack logo, and that will be on both sides. Outsole is that glow in the dark. And it will say Travis Scott on the bottom along with the Cactus Jack logo, both Cactus Jack logos, and that does go for both of them with the bright crimson, that red Jumpman logo on the bottom. Now, whoever seen the last version of the Travis Scott 6s, the olive ones, by the way, they 10 times better. You had the pocket on the outside of the shoe. This pocket flips up. Wait. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. All right, so you got the little lace lock things that come on Jordan 6s. This one, the ones that come in the Jordan 6 are clear, or maybe this may be glow in the dark as well. I actually don't know. And then you got some that come in the pockets, the red ones. Cactus Jack on one side, Jordan on the other side. Same for the ones that are already in the shoe. That one caught me off guard. But yeah, no. So the last Cactus Jack 6s came with the pocket on the outside. A lot of people think that's a nice touch. Comment down in the comments if you actually use the pockets on the 6s and the 1s or whatever else may come with the pockets. Comment down below if you use those pockets. So on the new Travis Scotts, on the medial side, you have an extra pocket that he decided to add, and this one is just a zipper instead of that button on the opposite side. And use your little space, put your little $20 in there, your little $40 in there. That's how I slide my $40, put it in the pocket, you know what I'm saying? But nah, what else we got? On the insole, you have the Cactus Jack logo on one of the shoes, and the other shoe, I'm assuming, is Nike Air. Yep, it's Nike Air. You can catch that. Clear pull tab, glow in the dark pull tab, glow in the dark tongue. The rest of the tongue is that, you know, Carhartt material, that dark brown. The tongue, the laces come with. Overall, no, the lining is that Carhartt material too. Overall, in person, I give these a good . I give these a good 6.5 or 7. That's gonna kill a lot of y'all. But I give these a good 6.5 or 7. With that being said, there is a pair that is similar to these that I actually really like, and that is the Golden Harvest or the Wheat Jordan 6s that came out back in 2017. They actually sat on shelves. Came out November of 2017. Sat on shelves. I was on deployment. I'm in the Navy, just in case y'all didn't know that. I'm on deployment. We get to whatever country we going to at the time. What was it? We went to Dubai, and we pull into Dubai for Christmas of 2017, and the Wheat 6s are still sitting on the shelf, on sale. They didn't sell out, but you know, Travis Scott, you know, did his justice to the shoes, added a couple details. I'm pretty sure this suede is better than the suede on the Wheat 6s. As far as the colorway goes, the design, I think the Wheat 6s are, you know, a little bit better. I'll give the Wheat 6s maybe a 8 out of 10. I'm actually really a fan of those. But yeah, this shoe is better in person now, I will say that, but I'm still not crazy over it. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video. Wait 1 second. Gone.